Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started closing our eyes, and we take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out. Start to take some circles with your wrist and your hands. And now switch the direction. Let's ball our fist up and then open our hand really wide. And we do that a few times, and maybe you feel your fingers crack or pop. That is completely normal. Place your hands on your shoulders and let's take some big circles back with our arms and our elbows. And now to the front. Shake your shoulders out a few times and then extend your right leg out to the side. Flex your right foot, placing your right hand on top of the right leg as you lift up and over with your left arm, rotating your chest up towards the ceiling. And now we fold over our right leg. So now you're facing your right leg and you extend both of your arms forward. Relax your shoulders, your head, and your neck here. Walk your hands to the middle now. And maybe you go a little bit deeper, walking the fingertips forward. And now we lift up and over with that right arm. So you're doing your side body stretch, but to the opposite side this time. Let's make our way into a cross-legged position. And forward fold. Walk your hands forward and take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. We slowly rise back up, extending our left leg out to the side this time. Lift up and over with your right arm, coming into your side body stretch, keeping that left foot flexed. Fold over your left leg, extending your arms forward. Walk your hands to the middle. Lift up and over with that left arm for your side body stretch one more time. And now we close our legs in front of us. Shake your legs out a few times. Take a big inhale, lifting your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Let's come into our tabletop position on hands and knees. Drop your belly low as you look up, shining your chest forward for your cow pose. And now round your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest for your cat pose. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Curl your toes under, send your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Maybe you walk your hands forward a little bit, pressing into the palms, working your chest a little bit closer to the legs. And now you step the feet up to your hands for ragdoll pose, opening the legs. Maybe wiggling the toes a little bit, seeing if the toes crack. Bend your right knee as you extend your left arm up towards the ceiling. Switch sides. Lower your right hand, closing your legs for forward fold. Let's bend our knees and straighten. Again, we bend and we straighten. Bend your knees again for chair pose, extending your arms overhead. Sweep your arms behind you. Let's clasp our hands together and forward fold. Feeling a bit of a shoulder stretch here. Relaxing your head and your neck. Slide your hands down your legs and halfway lift. Come into your high plank. Lower down onto your knees. Lower down onto your belly, pressing into your upward facing dog. And we come into our child's pose to end class. Let's end by taking a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.